European Union leaders agreed today to raise money in markets and lend up to 90 billion euros to Ukraine over 2026 and 2027, aiming to keep Kyiv's finances stable as the war with Russia grinds on. The move is designed to prevent a budget shock next year, ensuring the Ukrainian state can keep paying for essential services and sustain its defense effort while the conflict continues. What makes the decision notable is what the EU chose not to do. For months, some governments and officials argued the bloc should tap frozen Russian sovereign assets held in Europe as a direct funding source for Ukraine. But at the summit, leaders failed to reach consensus on that step, reflecting legal concerns, fears of retaliation, and worries about setting a precedent that could shake confidence in Europe as a financial jurisdiction. Instead, the EU opted for a politically safer route: common borrowing backed by the EU budget, then lending those proceeds to Ukraine. Supporters say it delivers speed and predictability without crossing a risky legal line. Critics counter that it leaves Russia's frozen funds untouched while European taxpayers shoulder more of the burden. For Ukraine, the package is a practical lifeline, especially if other partners' support becomes less certain. For Europe, it is another signal that the bloc is willing to use joint debt as a strategic tool, even as internal divisions limit how far it will go in weaponizing Russia's immobilized assets.